Good morning. We're doing a bathroom refresh today. As you can see, this is a very small bathroom and it's my main bathroom and it's still very tiny. As you can see, a year and a half ago, switched from colored towels in the bathroom to just having white. White doesn't sound very exciting, but because of the virus, I had heard on one of the channels that you should just use white towels for you can bleach. And so I got rid of all, well, I didn't get rid of. I took all the colored towels out and I just use the white towels, and I can change them out every day or two and throw them in bleach, so if there's any germs they get killed quickly. But because I don't want to look at just white, I buy beautiful hand towels like this and put them in, and for whatever the season is. I've decorated now for Halloween, and I have these beautiful, beautiful hand towels. They were $7, I think, for the pair. It's about $3.50 each, but they're beautiful and they look colorful in here and they pop really nice away from the white. I was very, very happy how it turned out. Let me know what you thought. As you can see, I have a little bat hooked on to the towel, and I bought those bats last year or the year before from Dollar Tree, 3 for $1. So that was a great investment. I've used them quite a few different ways, and I'm using them in the bathroom today. Let me know what you think about how my refresh bathroom for Halloween is looking. I thought it turned out pretty good for a small little room, adding just a little bit of color. And the only thing new in the whole bathroom is these tea towels I got for $7. Everything else you are seeing I have had for a few months or a few years. Now let's go see what other things I've done in the bathroom. As you can see, I did the same over here, except I added a long towel instead of another hand towel. And then there is a short hand towel here, and of course I have my very cute, colorful hand towel with the pumpkin and the raven on it, and of course my little bat flying in to aggravate the raven or crow. Since I really don't know the difference, that's how bad Grandma is. But anyway, just showing you how you can decorate without having to go to a lot of money or a lot of expense. Those little bats were $1, and I think I had a set of 3 or more for $1. And the hand towels are, I don't know, I think I paid $6 or $7 for them, for the pair. So that's like $3 each. So it isn't a big expense, and it gives you a great Halloween. And even though it's a very small space, you can see it really did add a lot of color to it. Well, it gives it a little spooky vibe, I think, with the light reflecting off the wall and moving around. I thought it looked pretty good, and of course the bat showed up beautifully too. I thought my pumpkin looks really nice. Let me know what you think of it. I was very happy how this has all turned out. I love how the light reflects off the wall from the candles. Doesn't it look beautiful? I always love some candlelight around. Plus, it's a pumpkin spice candle, so the bathroom smells of pumpkin. It smells so wonderful for fall. And like I said, I have a pair of them. Where the other one is at right now, I don't know. But in this room, it is so small, you couldn't burn but one of them anyway. But I thought it looked beautiful. What do you think? Do you like the light on or the light off? But if I had guests, I could leave these on the whole time the guests were here and leave the overhead light out until they come to use the restroom and give a wonderful spooky vibe to the bathroom. Well, hope you enjoyed my $7 refresh for Halloween. I was very happy with this, and it'll probably be here for the next 6 weeks or a month. So we will have it until the end of October. Then I will decorate it probably for Christmas, and we'll see what I do for that. We'll try to do a refresh a little bit on the inexpensive side also, because Grandma has spent so much money this fall already for other things. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Hugs and kisses to everyone that stopped by. Hope you come back and see what we do in Christmas time for, well, I may do something for Thanksgiving. I don't know. I might. But if not, we're going to do Christmas. Like I said, I'll have to look around my house and see what I can find that I already own and have. Because I really don't want to spend any more money. Because, you know, Christmas is coming, and we all have to work on a budget. Well, if you're not already following, please think about it, my dear friends. Click that like button and give me a comment, for I know you came by. I always answer all my comments, even if it takes 3 or 4 days, or even up to a week. Sometimes I get behind. Hope you enjoyed my $7 bathroom refresh. Take care. You all have an awesome week. It's so wonderful that it's cooling off a little now, that it's turning into fall. It's been so hot here in Southern California. It feels good to see the sun coming up a little later and going down a little earlier, and feeling that the temperature isn't quite as hot. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for all your love and support. See you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.